Welcome learners. I am Dr. Vikas Agarwal from Amrapali University, Haldwani. Today we are here to discuss your new topic, that is asset allocation. The various concepts of assets allocation we are going to discuss in this lecture. The learning objectives of these lectures are: understand the role of asset allocation in financial planning. This topic we are going to discuss how asset allocation aligns with an investor's overall financial goals and serves as a core component of long-term financial planning. Second objective is evaluate asset allocation from multiple perspectives. Compare and contrast the asset only, liability relative, and goal based approaches to asset allocation, highlighting their relevance to different investor types and financial objectives. The third objective is assess the impact of risk appetite on asset allocation decisions. In this topic, we are going to discuss identify how varying level of risk tolerance, risk appetite, and investment horizon influence strategic and tactical assets allocation. Fourth objective is integrate investment governance into asset allocation strategy. In this objective, we are going to describe key elements of effective investment governance and explain how governance practices influence the consistency and discipline of asset allocation decisions. Next objective is utilize risk factors and asset classes in building portfolios of every individual investors or corporate investor. Fifth objective is apply strategic implementation and revision technique. How the portfolio revision techniques helps in financial planning and asset allocation provide various dimension on portfolio revision. Learners, in the last lecture we explored secondary market such as stock exchange, market participants, etc., which are the backbone of our financial markets or capital market. Building on that foundation, in this lecture, we will discuss how asset allocation helps in financial planning and assess the impact of asset allocation on financial planning decisions. Asset allocation is an investment strategy that aims to balance risk and reward by dividing an investment portfolio among different types of asset class such as equity, debts, fixed income securities, cash and cash equivalents, real estate, gold, etc., as each asset class has a different correlation to one another. This lecture explores asset allocation refers to the process of distributing investment funds to optimize returns based on an investor's risk tolerance, risk appetite, goals, and investment horizon. Let's start by exploring how asset allocation helps in financial planning. Asset allocation is the method of strategically dividing an investor's total investment capital across different types, across various asset or financial instruments such as equities, stocks, debts, bonds, real estate, gold, mutual fund, cash, cash equivalent, etc. The basic purpose of this asset distribution or asset allocation is to balance risk and return according to the investor's personal goals, risk appetite, and time horizon of investment. Rather than putting all money into a single asset class, asset allocation allows for a diversified mix. We can say diversified portfolio that can perform well under varied economic conditions. This process forms the backbone of modern investment and portfolio management. The factors growth for mutual funds or other investment assets are investor based, return on market, and diversified investment avenues. The allocation that works best for you change at different times in your life depending on your goal, depending on your time horizon, depending on your ability to tolerate the risk. And this can vary from person to person. Asset allocation is an investment strategy that aims to balance risk and reward by dividing an investment portfolio among different types of asset class. The basic feature of asset allocation is diversification. Diversification is the basic premise of asset allocation, as investable asset classes are decided based on goals and risk and the need to mitigate portfolio volatility. Asset allocation process involves assessing your risk or return profile and then investing money in a certain proportion in asset categories that do not all respond to the same market forces in the same way at the same time. Asset allocation will vary from one investor to another. It can also vary from perspective of the investor, goals of the investor, and risk appetite of the investor. The aim of asset allocation is to balance risk and return in accordance with different financial goals and risk appetite. Why asset allocation is important? Asset allocation is crucial or important because different asset classes perform differently over time. Every asset has its own characteristics, its own features, its own return. A well diversified assets allocation can help reduce overall investment risk and improve consistency in the returns. It acts as a risk management tool and brings stability to the investment portfolio. Asset allocation is an important strategy for long term investment success. Objectives of assets allocation. Number one, maximizing returns for a given level of risk. Asset allocation helps in achieving the highest possible returns without exceeding the investor's risk comfort, risk capacity, risk taking ability. It reducing portfolio volatility. By diversifying funds across different asset class, the overall risk of the portfolio is minimized. Helps in achieving financial goals. Aligning investment with an investor's financial goals and risk appetite, such as saving for education, marriage of children, retirement, or buying a home, or any other goal from which the investors are going to start investment. It helps in achieving the financial goals. Preserving capital. Especially for conservative investors, asset allocation ensures that the investment is not exposed to unnecessary risk. The primary object of asset allocation is to secure the basic capital of the investor. Inflation protection. By allocating part of the funds to inflation hedged instrument, equity and real estate, the portfolio can be safe by the risk of inflation. Right asset allocation strategy. It means that you take the optimal amount of risk to meet your short term, medium term, or long term financial goals. Asset allocation provides a basic way for financial planning. So, first, we have to understand what is financial planning. Financial planning is a structured process of assessing one's current financial situation, setting financial goals, and developing a plan to achieve those goals over time. Financial planning helps in achieving financial goals through proper income management, budgeting, saving, investing, insurance, retirement planning, tax planning, risk management, etc. The purpose of financial planning is to ensure that financial resources are used efficiently to support both present and future needs, reducing uncertainty and enabling better decision making throughout different life stages. What is the role of asset allocation in financial planning? Asset allocation plays a central role, an important role in financial planning, as it ensures that the investment portfolio is structured in a way that balances the client's financial goal with their risk tolerance and time horizon. It helps achieve long term financial stability and goal fulfillment. Asset allocation acts as a bridge that connects financial goals to investment action, ensuring that risk is managed appropriately while keeping the portfolio aligned with changing life conditions and market conditions. Asset allocation helps convert abstract financial goals into actionable investment strategy by determining how much to invest in each asset category. Asset allocation is the cornerstone of financial and investment planning. It offers a balance between returns and risk, adapts to life changes, and provides a reliable path toward financial goals. It enhances performance consistency and reduces risk through diversification and disciplined structure. Asset allocation is an essential element in building a robust investment strategy. It helps investor achieve financial goals while minimizing risk and protecting against uncertainties like inflation and market volatility.